like you too. Baby, you take me in your arms and though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. Come on! And oh, just want love again, just want touch and then it happens every time that I go. Just fall in love again the way I do. Sige, sulitan yung kayo muli na ng sargaw. I fall in love with you. Ang gulong rin. Gilan ko rin pa daw. Thank you, magic. It's magic. Ako karoon ng episode of this piece. And all the wind and I simple. Are you enjoying? Are you? Tulo? Buwi? When I look into your eyes, I don't put it on today, come on. Just fall in love again. Just one touch and then ang niliwan sa pungkol. Turistahan. And then I go. Just fall in love again. And then I do. Sige na, hilog na mo. I can't help myself, I'm falling in love with you. I can't help myself, I'm falling in love with you. Sige lang nga, namang ko pila to, 5 mil. Anyway, thank you so much po sa atong mga kabunso. We still have... Naka-download naman ko nito. Okay, so mga higala, while we are waiting, nga usap mo ha. Wala tayo tubig ha? Wala no? Wala no? Wait no? Okay, so we're here today because it's February 14 and it's a Warm Cebu meet and greet and we're wearing color symbolizing and aside from that, Valentine's means love and okay. So ang kaning Valentine's Day adlaw sa pagigugmaay. Kuno, moy ingon nila nga adlaw sa pagigugmaay. Pero dili sa tanang panahon pagigugma no. Kay kaning red daghan man og meaning not only love. Ang color red. Bravery and hatred. No? Hatred pwede. No? No. Naata karon diri kay tungod sa atong nag-iisang founder na si Bunso, nagigugmaay ta. Dili sa tibok. Inabuhi ha? Ha? Dili ta magkinigugmaay sa kanang mag-ipon ta sa kabalan. Nagigugmaay as friendship, as a family. Right? Of this community. Alright. So, naanang lisong bukong. Kita lagi kong litson. Kita kong litson. Bitaw. Asa naman ko si Sir President?